Gmail's getting blue check marks. If you haven't noticed, blue check marks are trending. You will even start to see them in Gmail as part of an effort by Google to verify the identity of businesses filling your inbox with all sorts of emails. Apple and Google team up to make Bluetooth tracking devices safer. After numerous cases of Bluetooth trackers like Apple's AirTag being used for stalking or other criminal apps, Apple and Google today released a joint announcement saying they will work together to lead an industry-wide initiative to draft a specification that would alert users in the case of unwanted tracking from Bluetooth devices. 300 million full-time jobs could be automated in some way by generating artificial intelligence. Goldman Sachs recently said that as many as 300 million full-time jobs around the world could be automated in some way by generative AI, with the effects felt more deeply in advanced economies than emerging markets. Meta beats revenue expectations. Things are looking up for Meta. The company beat revenue expectations, reporting an increase in year-over-year revenue for the first time in 3 quarters. But this ray of light for the company formerly known as Facebook comes amid harsh restructuring, resulting in more than 10,000 jobs eliminated this year. Dropbox lays off 500 employees. CEO says it's due to slowing growth and the era of AI. Today, cloud storage giant Dropbox joined the fray of tech companies announcing layoffs. The company announced that it would be laying off 16% of its staff, equivalent to about 500 employees, due to slowing growth, and in the words of CEO Drew Houston, because the AI era of computing has finally arrived. For more such useful info, stay tuned to FacePrep.